Now I would like to show you how to compute those frequencies with a built-in function. The drawback of using the data analysis add-in is that these results are hard-coded. So if you change anything in the data range, nothing is going to change here. So if you would like your results to respond to any changes in the data, I recommend to do the following. So I use the function frequency, which requires to specify a data range. Now I don't include the sale price, not the label. I use the key F4 to put dollar signs around that range so that it will stay fixed. And I refer to 50,000 here. So if I enter that, I get, as a result, the frequency count, so the number of cases below 50,000. A double click on that range, on that first cell, gives me the number of cases below 100,000, the number of cases below 150, and so on and so forth. And since this last reference here is a text, this result doesn't make sense, so I would need to replace that cell reference by the max, and I get the total of 730 cases below the max. Now, once you've chosen the frequency function, any changes over here would be reflected immediately in that count. So that advantage of using a frequency function is it responds to changes in the data. As you see, this is actually a cumulative count. So if you would like to get exactly the same numbers as here, either you would need to subtract one row from the previous one, or you could use the frequency function in a slightly different way. And for that purpose, I first mark the entire range here where the results will be written. I choose again the function frequency, choose again the data range, fix it by pressing the button F4. Don't include the name of that variable. And then I choose the bin range, now including that text, it doesn't matter. Again, fix that range by pressing F4. And now the important thing is you don't press Enter, you press Ctrl+Shift, hold those two buttons, and then press Enter. And with that, you create values in the entire range that you've marked before. And as you see, this now gives you exactly that frequency count that is coming from the add-in, hard-coded, whereas this frequency count is not hard-coded now. If you change anything here, the results will respond.